How to remove payment method on Google Play Store. So first of all, open your Play Store and then from here tap on your profile icon right here. Then after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of payment and subscription. Tap on it, then tap on payment methods. So after doing that, here tap on more payment settings. Here you can see your card will show right here, but there are no remove option. So simply tap on this more payment settings. And from this page here, you'll get the remove option. All you need to do is tap on remove. And now in here, you can see since that was my only payment method on Google Play Store, it is asking for adding another card. So if you are going to do that, simply write your card number in here and all you need to do is tap on save and remove. And like that, you'll be able to remove payment method on your Google Play Store. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.